Aloha and welcome to this module on object orientation in JavaScript. This is a really interesting module, I think you'll find, because object orientation in JavaScript is both in some ways very similar to object orientation in Java or C++, the languages that you've been used to, and in other ways it's really different. So there's a kind of a high-level software engineering goal for this module, which is to expand your notion of what object orientation means. And then the low-level goal is to get better at JavaScript. Okay, so we're going to do those two things in this module. It starts with this screencast 24 minutes where I try to talk with you, or I discuss the similarities and differences between Java and JavaScript. The long and short of it is that from a syntactic perspective, they're really similar. From a semantic perspective, they're really different. And I think you'll enjoy learning about those similarities and differences, and it'll also make you able to program competently with in JavaScript. I provide you a bunch of links to online tutorials that help you kind of get comfortable with the syntax and building simple classes. And I also provide a link to a reading about template strings in ES6, the modern version of JavaScript, which just helps you create strings that that include variable values much more easily than, kind of concatenation. So that's good to know about. To help you get used to help you gain experience writing JavaScript classes and using that form of object orientation, I am going to use this menu, which I saw last week at the Jamba Juice store at the Manoa campus, and thought to myself, hey, that would be kind of a cool subject for building some object classes. You got these objects and they've got properties and so forth. So all of the experiences for this week is kind of a three-parter where you use that menu to build various kinds of objects in JavaScript. And I think you'll find that to be fun. For this week, there's just one assessment for this particular module, which is the WOD that will be next week, where I'll ask you to build a simple class-based JavaScript system. So that's what it looks like. Hope you'll have fun and see you soon.